looks like the package I've been waiting for the new HEPA cabin air filter is here. So let's take a look and see what's in the package. In the box, there are two HEPA filters, along with activated carbon, a plastic pry tool, and a Torx Allen wrench.
So on this side we have the paper filter. First step we're going to do is we've already moved the seat backwards. Then we're going to take out the floor liner. Then we'll remove this panel to get to the cabin filters up here and disconnect the high voltage wiring and pull off the cover and put in the new filters. Start at the top with the wedge tool. You can start working this out. You'll hear it snap. Then just simply pull these down and out. Set it off to the side, and this is what we have. Next, we'll need to remove some of the push pins here so we can get to the cabin air filter and remove the old one. So we'll use the pry bar and pull those out. So I have 3 of the push pins out. Kind of have to feel in there with your fingers. Once you find them, put the tool in and work them out. So now I'm going to get the last one out. Alright, we got all the push pins out. The only thing holding us in is this speaker wire, and we'll disconnect right here. And a floor light that will disconnect right here. Then we can remove it. Okay, you can see the one tab there for the air filter. Now the cover's off. And we'll pull that out, and we'll pull out the other one just below it. All right, as you can see, this is the Tesla cabin filter, the original one that came with the car. This car has about 5,700 miles on it, and it's over a year old. It's probably about 13 months old. So as you can tell, it is kind of dirty. Let's take a look. So yeah, it's definitely capturing pollutants. The yellow, it's kind of hard to tell what this should look like on the inside, but this is definitely not white on the inside. So, those both pulled out. It looks like it's okay to replace these. So these actually end up stacking on top of each other inside the car like this. So coming from your air inlet just in the cowl of the frunk, the bottom one sits down on the nearest part of the floor inside with the next one stacked on top, and the air runs through there into your cabin and through your vents. The yellow side's what's facing the inside of the cabin. So we'll see how these new HEPA with the charcoal filters actually work. And now the new HEPA filters are white on the outside, similar to the Tesla. These are actually by TAPTES. And on the other side is the carbon beads. So they should trap pollutants and odors and make the air as fresh as possible inside the cabin. TAPTES has foam around the border, along with some red tags to pull these out. So we'll have to make sure we put these in the right way, and you can see the tags. So when we put them into the car, the white part of the cabin filter is going to face the front of the car, while the carbon capture system will be facing the cabin. So that way the red tab will be on the top right, facing out. I got the TAPTES in there. All I have to do now is put the screw in the top, which is probably easier said than done. So we'll get that in, I'll put everything back together, and we'll wrap up the video.
If you found this video useful, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This video featured the Model 3 and Model Y HEPA cabin air filter from TAPTES. I'll include in the description a link to this website for the HEPA filter. It should be noted that this HEPA filter with the active carbon is probably about half price what you can find on other sites. And so far I've been using it for 3 or 4 days. Seems to be working well. And based on my experience with putting this back together, I've reached out and ordered another product that I think will make it easier to do this maintenance in the future. So please look for that in a follow-up video. Also catch up for our other videos on the channel, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and check out the TAPTES website for additional products for your Tesla. Thank you very much.